Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we're going to talk about how to redeem watch face codes from the Gear Manager store for your Galaxy Watch, your Gear S3, your Gear Sport, and your Gear S2. Now there's been a lot of people who have been joining the channel. Some have been winning for the very first time who do not know how to redeem free watch face codes from the Gear Manager store. So if you've seen this video before or you've seen the video just like it, sit back and be entertained, all right? This video is for the ones who do not know how to redeem watch face codes. So we've done one before. We're going to call this one How to Redeem Watch Face Codes 2.0. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started. Now there's two things that you must do before we can start. One, you got to be signed into a Samsung account. So if you haven't already, make sure you do that. Two, you got to have a credit card, a debit card, and or your PayPal on file. You can also use your Samsung Pay as well. All right, once you got those two things done, you are ready to start downloading free watch faces. Now, what you're gonna need to do is find your Gear Manager app. It's gonna look like this one. It's gonna say Wear, and up under it should say Galaxy Wearable. You're gonna tap on that. Now, it used to be a different way in order to go through a process of getting your free watch faces. This one here is a little bit easier. As you can see, I have tons of watch faces that I have reviewed previous. And once I tap into this, I can choose any watch face. So you find the watch face that you're gonna download that you got a free code for. So let's say it's this one. And once I do that, all I gotta simply do is tap on the price. It's not gonna charge me right away. I'm gonna accept this. It wants to go ahead and tap into your body sensor. That's all right. And once you go through this process, it's gonna take you to where you can download the watch face. First, it's gonna tell you the price up top. It's gonna say Samsung billing. I'm using my PayPal account, and also it has discount. Now, once you get to discount, you're gonna have to hit add. At the bottom, you see where it says $1.50. Once you hit add, and you go ahead and you put your information in, which is the watch face code, the add button is gonna pop up. You hit add. Now, don't touch anything until you look down at the bottom and you see 0. It's gonna say 0. It shouldn't say $1.50. And with that, you're good. You are now ready to go ahead and get your free watch face. That's it, that's all. It'll say buy, but right here, it'll say 000. And that's it, people. Very simple, very basic, very plain. All right, you all, I hope this video was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, could you please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.